What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some chorizo breakfast burritos. It's a real quick recipe, but who doesn't love a good quickie in the morning? I know I do. So let's go do it, shall we? Yeah, I think so. That's right, baby. Chorizo breakfast burritos. A quick little easy breakfast is going to be perfect for me this morning because you know I got to tell you, your boy Black Hour had a long night last night. I was out too late howling at the moon. Ah, woo! Oh, yeah. A little too many beers last night, but I had a great time, so I'm not going to regret it. But you know, when you have too many beers, you stay out too late, you got to put something on that, baby. And this is going to be perfect for that because we're going to get it done quick, and then we're going to have us something to eat. So, I've already got my chorizo going in here. It's going good. And you know, the thing about chorizo, it's like a sausage, baby. A breakfast sausage. It comes in this little casing, and you're going to have to take the casing and cut the corners off, and you either squeeze it out or peel it out, do whatever you do. But just do what I do first thing every morning. Grab my sausage, baby, and show it to the world. So, got our chorizo in here, and about the time your chorizo gets done, you're going to want to go ahead and add your eggs. And now you're saying, Black Hour, add your eggs. You got to take the chorizo out before you add your eggs. No, you do not, sir. You can add them both in there together and let them dance and do their breakfast thing. Yes, sir. So, we've got our chorizo looking good. And the thing about chorizo is, you know, it's kind of tough because it's a reddish color. It's never going to look done per se, but it's a sausage. So just cook it like you would sausage or even ground beef. About the same time, about the same method. So, got our chorizo ready. Let's dump our eggs in here that we've got mixed up and ready to go. And you look and see the consistency here, just like scrambled eggs, baby. Pour it straight in there out the beer mug. Ooh. And let it go. We're going to flip this around a little bit. And by the time your eggs get done, depending on how you like your eggs, me, I kind of like mine a little runny. And you're saying, Black Hour, runny eggs, spicy breakfast sausage and beer. Boy, you're going to have a hell of a day. And I know I am too. So, I'm ready for it. We're going to have to get this chorizo done, chorizo egg mixture. As soon as it's done, we're going to pull it out of the pan. And then we'll get moving on to the potatoes. And then we'll be damn ready to make that damn burrito, won't we? So, I'm ready to go. Let's go. Ha ha! Yes, baby. It's potato time. My favorite time. I love potatoes. Boy, I could eat potatoes all day, every day. Because there's so many things you can do. You can do fried potatoes, mashed potatoes, baked potatoes, french fries, potato chips, shrimp and potatoes. I mean, just all sorts of stuff. I love it, I love it, I love it. But today we're going to focus on the fried side of potatoes. Now, I've already got my potatoes chopped up, and I left the skin on mine. If you want to, you can peel that old skin off, but I like it, baby. It gives it good texture, good flavor. So, got the potatoes cut, and I've got some oil here in my pan, and it's already hot and ready to go, just like me. So, we're going to drop it in there very carefully, and we're going to get to work. Let's pick these potatoes up. Like I said, be real careful because that grease will jump up and bite you, baby. Ooh, and you don't want that. Put a little bit of potato. There they go. There they go. That's it. Yeah. Already smells good, don't it? So, the next thing that we're going to do, and you can probably tell me what we're going to do before I do it. Guess what we're going to do? You guessed right, buddy. Salt and pepper, just for flavor. A little bit of this, sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. That's salt. Good shit. And the black pepper too. Now you can use some other seasonings if you like. With me, I'm just going to use salt, pepper, keep it simple today because we're going to have a lot of flavors piled up on this damn burrito once we're done. So, a little bit of pepper too. And we're going to sit and let these cook for, I'd say, between 10 and 15 minutes or so. You just want to check them and flip them, make sure that one side's not burned. And the best way to tell they're done is just to grab your old fork and stick down in the potato. And if you get through easily without having to force it, that sucker's done, boy. And once the potatoes are done and we got the chorizo and egg done, we're going to be ready to assemble this bad boy. And I can't wait because I'm starving to death. So, let's haul ass and get it done. Alright, baby, it's time to put it all together. So, we've got our tortilla here, and I went with the soft taco tortilla today. A little bit smaller, but we're going to make a lot of them, so don't worry about it. So, first thing we're going to do, get some of this chorizo and egg mixture, and we're going to line that up right down the middle here. Alright, next thing we'll do is we will grab some of these potatoes, and we're going to line them up just the same way. Now you can use as few or as many as you want. Me, I'm going to pile them on there because I like the potatoes. You already know that. Next thing, let's give it a little cheese if you please. Now, you know, a lot of people don't put cheese on there. As me, I'm going to add some cheese just because I want a little extra texture. So, not too much, just a little bit. Just throw in there, make something happen. Then we are going to add some salsa. And the salsa is going to be good, baby. It's going to give it a real nice flavor. We're going to put a little bit of vegetables in there. You know, some peppers, some tomatoes. All kinds of good shit, I'm telling you. Ooh, yeah. That already looks good. But it's not done yet because I want a little kick with mine. When I want a little kick, I got to reach for the Wiri's original pepper sauce. Good stuff, baby. Just great stuff. I'm going to put the link to this stuff down underneath in the description. Y'all grab your bottle or two of this good shit right here, because it's good. A few little drops, just a few little drops. And now we're done. So let's roll it up, and we are going to stand back and marvel at this big old beautiful chorizo breakfast burrito, baby. Ooh. Alright, baby, the time has come. The chorizo breakfast burrito is done, and I'm having the first bite for me. Let's pick this thing up and chow down, boy, because I'm starving. That is good shit. I feel better already. That's set me right, baby. That's a hangover cure from heaven. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Oh. Lovely. Well, I want to thank y'all for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next time.